In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize columns in a spreadsheet. Whether you're looking to make columns wider to accommodate more text or you simply want to tidy up your layout for better readability, I'll show you how to do it effortlessly. There are a couple of methods you can use, each with its own advantages, so let's dive in and explore these options together. First, let's go through the drag to adjust method. It's ideal for situations when you want a quick and flexible adjustment. To start, move your cursor to the top of your spreadsheet, specifically targeting the right border of the column letter that you want to adjust. You'll notice that as your cursor hovers over this border, it changes into a double arrow. This is your indication that you're in the right spot to begin. Once you see this icon, click your mouse, and then while keeping it clicked, you can drag either left or right. If you drag to the left, the column will become narrower, and dragging to the right will widen it. This method is great for when you don't need a precise measurement, but just a quick visual adjustment. Once you're satisfied with the size, simply release your mouse button and the column will lock into its new width. Now, if you require a little more precision, you might prefer to enter a specific width for your column. This can be especially useful when you have several columns that need to be uniform for aesthetic or functional reasons. Here's how you do it. Begin by right-clicking on the column letter you wish to resize. In the context menu that appears, look for the option labeled Resize Column. Choosing this will prompt a dialog box to appear. Here you can enter the exact width you need in pixels. Once you've typed in your desired width, click OK to confirm. The column will then automatically adjust to your specifications. Here's a helpful tip to consider. If you're working with multiple columns that need resizing to the same width, you can save time by adjusting them all at once. First, select all the columns you want to modify by clicking and dragging across their letters. When they're highlighted, right-click over the selection and choose Resize Columns from the menu. You can then specify the width you want for all selected columns in just one move. This bulk resizing feature is a great time saver and ensures consistency across your spreadsheet. So there you have it, 2 straightforward methods to resize your spreadsheet columns. Whichever you choose will depend on your specific needs, whether you require speed or precision. Give these techniques a try next time you're managing your data, and you'll find your workflow a bit more seamless and organized. Thank you for tuning in, and happy spreadsheeting!